Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account on Sieg Fund. At the top, you click on the Verify option and enter the verification section, where if you wish, you can continue these steps by clicking on this option with your mobile phone or by clicking on this option with your system. You also confirm the website's rules by ticking the box and clicking on this option. In the next step, you select the type of document, where you can choose between a national ID, passport, or driver's license. We select the national ID, and in this section you will see the guide for uploading the appropriate document. And click on the Upload option. You upload a photo of the front of your ID card and click on Continue. In the next step, you need to upload a photo of the back of your ID card. You click on Upload, and after uploading the photo, you click on Continue. In the next step, you will see the information you saved, and if you wish, you can click to change the information. And after checking the information, you click on Next. In the next step, you need to upload a selfie photo of yourself, so you click on Upload and upload your selfie photo. Finally, you click on Continue. These steps were completed successfully. You click on this option, and as you can see, our account has been verified. Good luck.